Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now I will show you how to tag or mention someone on YouTube. Please watch this video to the end. Subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Let's get started. This method works both on computer and on any mobile devices I will show on iPhone. And you can do wherever you want. Go to the YouTube app. Next you have your account. You have to be logged in. Close it. Click on Library. Click on your video. Select any video where we want to mention or tag a person. Click Edit. Choose a description or a title. Here we have to put this symbol in the keyboard. And after that, write any name and mention it. We can also go to description. We can also put this symbol. Write something. And mention some users. And then exit. Click Save. And we were able to mention or tag on YouTube. If you like, and if this video helped you, you can like it. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching this video to the end. Goodbye.